Hey, it's Alice Siba.
And I'm Yusef Kulan from EKitHub. We're excited to teach you how to build loyal audience of customers who want to pay more for your products and keep coming back for more. Our goal is to help you turn your side hustle or hobby into a full-fledged business.
Yeah, and with tougher economic times on the horizon, we knew we had to give our customers a leg up in creating a long-lasting and recession-proof business. And our Big Growth Shortcuts and Templates Club gives you the foundation for exactly that with our instructional modules that include all the templates you need to make implementation easy.
If you don't know EKitHub, we specialize in done-for-you content that makes it easier for our customers to build traffic, grow their list, and have instant products like printables and print-on-demand products for sale. Alice, she has been in content marketing game since 2002, and she loves to share her insight on leveraging content to maximum effect.
Indeed I do, and this is Yusef, who's been active in the online business world since 2008 and over the years has learned what works and what doesn't and is happy to share his knowledge with you. Together we've got plenty to share with you to help you build a rock solid business, and we put it in a format that allows you to quickly learn a concept and then use the templates to guide you, saving you tons of time and potential frustration of doing it yourself.
From boosting your earnings per sale to getting traffic, all the way to growing your list and learning to make hard to resist product offer, we've got you covered. Keep reading below this video to see how we can help you out.